and it ended up looking super cute. It's pretty much as easy as that.
There's more toilet paper!
Today we're making food porn, food porn, food porn, food porn.
So I forgot to film an introduction, but I am Gabby, and this week I made a blanket fort. So I started by choosing my favourite blanket, and tried to get it down without being crushed by all these other ones. Then I threw it on this chair. I wanted to line the fan up with the bed so I could hang the blanket from the fan. So I started to move things out of the way. Ew. This is me moving the bed with my giant muscles. And this is me looking like I'm trying to master all 4 elements so I can defeat the Fire Lord. I literally don't know what I was doing. Like, what is that? This is me almost breaking the glass of the wardrobe and finding a mess underneath the bed. Then I finally lined it up perfectly with the fan. Then I cleaned the fan, because I swear it hadn't been cleaned in the 7 years we had lived here. Because look at that. That's disgusting. I then aired out the blanket in a really artistic way and had a snack break. I spilled hot chocolate on my shirt, but I didn't bother to change it because I'm gross. Then I started hanging the blanket up. I decided I was going to use pegs to secure it because tape and blue tack was not going to cut it. And it ended up turning out pretty good. Then I decided I wanted fairy lights. So I stole these from my room and removed the green bits so the light was more yellow. It looked really cute. I made a mess though. Then I went and got another blanket because the plaid look really wasn't working for me. Then I started decorating. I went with an orange theme, as you can probably tell. And it ended up looking super cute. It's pretty much as easy as that. It actually turned out so cute that I decided to have a little bit of a photo shoot. I love the way the photos turned out, not gonna lie. And yeah, thank you for watching. Oh, also, if you're gonna do this, remember to always keep turning the lights off at the power point, because it's just a giant fire hazard.
mess. The cat makes an absolute mess. I came to visit my partner for the first time since isolation restrictions were lowered, and I am horrified.
There's more toilet paper! Are you actually kidding me? Oh my god.
Literally, no matter how many times I cleaned yesterday. I cleaned. So I'm going to make a DIY cat-proof toilet paper cover, something that will stop this from occurring. Oh, thank God. Thank God that's at the top. I was actually going to scream if I had to go through trash. The plan is to get this, size it up lengthwise. I'm gonna need a knife. There we go. There's no way. I think I fished in the bin for like literally no reason whatsoever. Okay, plan 2 goes a little unconventional. How big is a wipe on one of these? We're gonna take one of these wipes. Oh, I'm cutting along the line when I can easily just go. Okay, that's the perfect size. Nice. Okay, we can work with this. I'm gonna give it some racetrack lines just so the toilet paper isn't completely grippy. There we go. We've got racetrack lines. Now, after spending so much time, you know, making this even, putting racing straps on this, I've come up with the idea to completely disqualify its purpose. You know, trial and error. Trial and error. Okay. So this is mounting sticky tape. This is for throwing stuff to walls. But today, it's being used to stop Kitty TPing the house. See, that worked. I'm going to get a strip of the Scotch tape. I'm going to stick it to the end so we can make like a little overlappy thingy bob. So the biggest question at the end of this is, does the toilet paper roll? It works! See? Oh my gosh. So now we've got this done. It actually doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look terrible. And if we test out it on the toilet roll slips really nicely. Oh my god. Okay, I'm an inventor. We're gonna flatten it out because now we're gonna have to make the crease in which the toilet paper comes through. I think the hardest part about this is to make sure that you cut in all the layers. I tell you what, I see that blue cloth that did not need to be in there, but like, why waste when you can use? Okay, easy peasy. 2 lips done. Now just for the last bit, I'm gonna take... Where is that pen? Stop it. We never stuck it down with Scotch tape on the ends. Oh, no. You're done. I'm cancelling you. The kitten's been rolling knees around the floor this entire time. No, there's nothing left for you to play with. Also guys, remember, don't have a clean workspace. Nothing gets done with you when you have a clean workspace. There we have it. This is the test. Oh my god! I may have fixed this household's issues. Are you tired of your house being a mess? Sick of your bundle of joy terrorizing your home? Well, say hello to the TP Anti-Cat 3000. This ingenious device is the key to ensuring your toilet paper survives the wrath of your cat during these apocalyptic times. But don't just take our word for it. Here's a review from one of our valuable customers.
It's made it harder to go pee.
Don't you mean?
It works! I no longer find my house turned into a sewage plant.
Now that's better. TP Anti-Cat 3000 is available in limited supply, only one to be exact. So act now or miss out.
We even tested if the cat can get to it.
In the case that TP Anti-Cat 3000 does not work as advertised, refunds will not be available.
Hi everyone, welcome back to me kind of helping my parents cook. Today we're making crab with scallions and noodles. Honestly, my parents have the skills to make this restaurant quality meal, but I was just observing and asking questions. So think of this as a pre-recipe video before you watch an actual educational video. that explains how to make basic Chinese crab and scallions and ginger and that with noodles. In this video, I'm going to transport you to a homey, loud Chinese kitchen. Really, it's a video of food porn and cooking clips, but with no helpful instructional directions, but I'll try my best. Also, I don't know if I can say food porn. I really don't know how family friendly this co-vlog is. Food porn, food porn, food porn, food porn. Anyways, back to the video. Just a disclaimer, if you're vegan or vegetarian, please skip this part because... Okay, so with the crab, I'm pretty sure you can buy cut up crab, but if you're not afraid, you can chop up a live crab. I don't know if I can provide the footage of that, but you know, once you're done, you want to wash the separate pieces, and then you're gonna chop up some scallions, ginger and garlic. Wash your scallions before chopping it up into thick sections. To make the broth, wash your chicken and then dump it into boiling water. And then once the water turns murky, you want to pour that water out and do it again. In a separate pot or wok, you can pour boiling water in, and then that's how you can cook your noodles. Put those noodles in and wait for a bit. I don't know how long, truthfully, but my dad says whenever it feels ready. Once everything is prepared, you're going to fry the crab pieces. We used potato starch, so you want to dip your individual pieces into the starch and then put it into heated oil. Once they're in, it's going to turn orange and that's the color you want. Once you fried all the crab pieces, you'll just have to remove the cooking oil into a separate bowl, which will be disposed later because we don't need it anymore. Next, add in the noodles and just stir it around in the wok. Remove the noodles, pop in your scallions, ginger and garlic, and then you can add your crab pieces. You can also add soy sauce, oyster sauce, any sauce that you feel feels right. After you've added sauces, you want to pour in some of that chicken broth. My dad also added some potato starch and water into it. I don't know why, but it's better to trust my dad than myself. Once that's done cooking, put your noodles in a large bowl and then pick out the crab pieces and lay it on top. The noodles will dry quickly, so you can pour some of that broth from the wok into your bowl. And that's basically it. You can also have that with bok choy or any kind of vegetables just to ease all the crab meat and spices. It's just a nice palate cleanser. I hope that was pleasing to the eye. Let us know if you enjoy this kind of content. In the meantime, stay safe and take care of yourself.